storage yard and dealership. That's Mr. Hey Ho. I do like having a little walk around here, seeing what there is. Right, we're after something today though. Can you guess what we're after? We're not after an e-bike.
1,400 quid.
1,400?
Don't need one, do we?
Don't need one of those.
We've got bikes, we've got legs.
We've got bikes and we've got legs. This is very true. Oh, look. I do love that pattern.
That's what we've got.
I think there were. Right, what else have we got? Hitch cover. Look, that's quite cheap for a hitch cover, don't you think?
We've got one that I never used.
I know. I feel bad about
It
that.
doesn't match the colour of the car.
No. If anybody knows,
We all want
or somewhere we can get like an orange hitch cover, that'd be great.
Or a blue one, isn't it?
Blue one.
Normal ones are. I don't see them. Where's the green?
Right. Which one do you normally go for? There are lots to choose from.
This is one we usually get, isn't it? This
It's the double pack, the normal one,
quid.
yeah.
Lasts us ages as well.
It did, didn't it? We're coming towards the end now, so we're kind of thinking, should we be getting something a little bit more environmentally friendly?
A lot of places insist now on the green, don't they? They don't allow the pink and stuff because there's septic tanks. So
Yeah.
it might be worth getting the
So
green.
that formaldehyde in them, nasty chemicals.
Well, it like kills the septics, doesn't it? Like, put that down them. So it's probably best to have the green one, I think.
The green one? Right, so here's a shot of me with all of this selection to choose from. There's absolutely tons to choose from here.
Toilet roll.
And toilet roll. We've got enough of that. But what do we choose? I mean, what would you choose? I mean, what do you use? We do have a Solbia, which we've never used, but we're going away next week, so we're thinking we're just going to grab something in the meantime because we've got to replace our blue, and we're thinking grow green. Okay, so I think we're going to give the green a try. If you've tried the green, what do you think? Put details in the comments below. We'd like to know what your thoughts are. Right, so we just spotted this one, which is the Elson Organic.
Toilet fluid and rinse.
Yeah, so
You don't need the pink.
Don't need the pink.
For the stink. Is it Elson Safe? The other one, that one says Elson Safe down there.
The Thetford one down there, yeah, says that is septic tank safe.
Yes.
So we're just trying to work out if this one is as well.
The problem I have is that I have terrible eyesight when it comes to reading, and it's just a massive blur.
So, septic tank safe. There you go.
That's worth it. That was only, was it?
£14
14
for
quid.
2 litres.
16 doses.
16. So we could give that one a go. Yeah, that's the one we're going to give a go.
This is this one.
Or this one. I'm not decided now. I thought we'd.
This one's more concentrated, but it doesn't matter. This'll do. This'll do. Just pour it in.
How many doses is that one?
Doesn't say. It just is equivalent of proven environment. 3/4 equals 1.5 litres, and that's, I don't know what it is. Probably
That's 2 litres.
Oh, 10 doses.
Right, so we're going to go for the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Purchase. You happy with your purchase? And we get 10% off here, don't we?
Yeah. And I've never been more excited to buy toilet cleaner.
We've also just spotted these toilet rolls. Now, you can use the cheap toilet rolls, which are to apply from most supermarkets, but we're here now, and these are quickly dissolving toilet paper. Look, it's only £3.95. Let's give it a go. Thetfords. Right, only a quick hop from the shop to the caravan storage. Here we are. There's Mr. Hey Ho opening up the new house.
There's pink and blue at the back there, that's why we store them in there, don't we, generally?
Yeah, we've got a little box, so we like to store it there, and there they are, just stored there. So we'll put this in, we'll give this a try, and we'll just maybe use those as extras just in case we need them. Oh, will it go in? Oh, it's a bit bigger than the other one. I might have to stand this up. There we go. Not sure how you store yours, but we always have like a little bucket here. We store ours in, it keeps it stood up, and any drips just go into the bucket. So there you go. We'll use that one next time. We'll let you know how we get on. Well, thanks so much for watching. We'll let you know how we get on with our green fluid. We should be away really soon, so we'll catch up with you and see how we're getting on. Take care. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Bye.